Where do we go?
We did the Seven Sisters.
Oh.
Do you remember? It was about June 2020.
Was that when we had a shandy in the Cookmere?
I think
we met you at Burling Gap because you had Pauli's foot or something.
32 degrees.
Yeah.
I've got a picture of us and you can tell.
Yeah, it's very hot that day. Oh, it was in blue. I was taking lots of videos and saying, "Oh, it's looking so blue."
It's really.
It's not looking so. It's looking great today.
So hot.
Yeah.
It's not a very robust. Oh, I haven't got a
You. Over there somewhere. Yeah, I think that's the one like last year that was so fast, it was actually travelling faster than the speed of sound. That's why you can't tell where it is. Wow. Oh, there's Paul's horses. We see it better on the other side of the hill.
I think the weather-wise it will just be perfect.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good next weekend. Yeah.
How many are going?
9.
That's all right.
So nice. Yeah, it's like Melanie saying, oh, maybe on the first day, you know, one of us leaves, the other. Oh, there! Oh my God, it's going.
Oh, there
Look at that. Isn't that the same one as last year? Isn't that the one? Faster than the speed of sound.
I saw it go across and then down. It was really fast.
Yeah.
Because it's cloudy, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, isn't that the one from last year?
It went over there. It went over there. It went over there.
Yeah, we need to read the other side, don't we, really? Oh! It's given me the same vibes as last year. Oh, I can't. Oh God! Don't come down. Not yet. Can't see you. I can see you.
Is that a tiny?
Yeah, it's the same as last year, isn't it?
That's quite scary. When it's diving, you see a bit of it
Yeah.
really disappears.
Oh, where you gone? Right, all the way over there.
Where's the nearest RAF base? Because that's where it
Oh gosh,
where
in
would it be?
Sussex. There must be some in Sussex, I would think.
Please, there's all these birds circling around, and oh my god, what is this?
No, I saw. Oh, that's a nice view.
It's quite scary though. You saw it a little bit go down and then
Very.
it disappeared. Then,
Hmm. All gone quiet.
because I imagine they've got quite a long range because they send them on to.
Yeah.
So I'll be able to get
Oh yeah, they're
to
proper military
clear
planes,
space.
aren't they?